If you're encountering the cloud save error of 2025 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter account or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your game launcher or Origin or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Turn off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can help clear any temporary data that might be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve deeper issues with the game installation that may be causing the cloud save error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and enjoy playing Apex Legends again. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.